Hello everyone, I am Tina from Victoria Designs. It is the end of February, so that means that I'm going to show you a few printables from new kits that will be released in March. I only printed a few sheets from each kit, not everything, because otherwise my stack would come up to here. But then you have an idea what the vibe is of the kit, if you like it or not, if it's something worth waiting for, etc. Now, for the first thing that will come out, I have to put this aside for a bit because it's going to be a new mini project bundle. That means I made 10 new mini projects. Here they are. These will come out very soon. They will be available separately, but also in a discount bundle. So one of the kits that will come out in March is the Witch's Garden kit. So it's about a good witch and she just works a lot with herbs, and it's about her and her garden. And here are a few of the embellishment sheets. There are much more, of course. A few of the vertical papers. Yes, each kit has vertical and horizontal papers. I didn't print equal amounts right now, but when the kit comes out, you can see which are horizontal, which one are vertical, etc. Yeah, beautiful pattern here. Oh yeah, no horizontal papers printed here, but that's okay. And now I have here some journal pages. See, look at the detail. We pride ourselves in this, that everything is layered so beautiful. And everything really has like the vibe of a garden of a good witch. Or if you don't like the term witch, think of a herb goddess. Okay. The next kit. Well, since it's almost St. Patrick's Day, I asked my designers to make a Celtic magic kit. So it has a lot of Celtic references and designs, and I think this kit is just wonderful. As you know, sadly, it is not possible to make a tutorial for each and every kit that comes out. I wish I had the time to make one for this one, but I just didn't. So the Witch's Garden kit and also this Celtic Magic kit sadly comes without a tutorial, but there's a playlist on our YouTube channel with a long list of projects that you can make with each of these kits. So here are a few of the embellishments again. Some vertical papers. And I love these patterns. And a horizontal paper as well. So it's just all Celtic and it's magical. The title says it all. Lots of nature as well. There you go. And the next one is called the Vintage Vanity Kit. It is very feminine. It's all about your personal boudoir vanity, dressing, making pretty place in your house. So I have here some embellishments again. A few vertical papers. Oh, I love this pattern. Look at that. Some strips. Some horizontal papers. It's like a whole dressing. It's like a dream dressing. And then some of the journal pages. Lots of room to write, but very inspiring images on the sides. There, Vintage Vanity. Also without a tutorial, this one also without a tutorial. And this one is called the Botanical Memories kit. So it has botanical touches, but it also screams memories, old-fashioned memories. This is just a very beautiful kit. So some embellishments. And then some papers. This is a beautiful pattern. Also, the most beautiful greenhouse in the world, I think. Look at that gazebo. And then some of the journal pages, beautiful fountain. Yeah, that's the kit. Oh, I think this is marvelous. And then the last kit, you see, I haven't cut it out yet. And that is because I really want to make a tutorial with this kit. And I also have to say, I really hope that I can finish the tutorial this month, because I have a great idea, but I haven't started at all. Some other projects took longer than I thought, etc. It happens. This kit is our budget journal. It all has to do with budgeting, saving money, etc. So the reason I didn't cut it out yet is because I might have to print something on the back first. That's why. I am going to show you, but if it doesn't come out in March, it will probably come out in April. Okay, some of the embellishments, so a jar full of coins, a calculator, ledgers, etc. Here are some cards. And then some papers. Here are some vertical papers. Yes, it's all very accounting-ishly, but still it's beautiful in an old-fashioned way, and that is what I like. Some horizontal papers. Oh, I really love this pattern. All numbers, look. Some vintage ledgers. And then some of the journal pages. Calculators, coins, safes, numbers, ledgers. It is all here. I just think this is also pretty. Okay, so hopefully you will see this one arrive with a really nice tutorial. So lots of new kits coming out in March. Look at the pile. That is a big pile. Don't forget these, it's all new. And then each month we also put some kits on sale from the year before. And this month it's going to be the vintage newspaper kit, which has a tutorial from the hilarious Patricia. The very popular honeybees kit will be back on sale with a tutorial from Tina. Also our antique papers bundle and offer will be back on sale. If you're an old paper enthusiast, that is the kit for you. And we will also hold a general spring sale. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful for you so you can see which one you like, which one you don't like, if there's something worth waiting for, etc, etc. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a very crafty day, because crafting is amazing. Bye bye.